To begin, open the Viber app on your phone. Then, tap More in the bottom right corner. From the list of options, select Settings. Then, go to Appearance. At the top, you will see Chat Theme. Tap on it. You will now see a collection of available chat themes. Browse through them, then tap the one you want to apply. Viber will then show you a preview of the selected chat theme. If you'd like a more personalized look, you can also customize the color, background, and dark mode to match your style. After selecting or customizing your preferred theme, tap Set in the top right corner. Your new chat theme will be applied instantly. Return to your chats. Open any conversation, and you will immediately see the new theme in action. And that's how you can change the chat theme on Viber.